got a bag of Cheetos. The taste explodes just like a cheesy bomb. Sometimes I like to get the Cool Ranch Doritos. The zesty kick it gives is so right on. That fat bitch over in the business office, always taking the last bag of chips. You think she'd take the hint and ease up on the eating? And maybe she could lose those cottage cheese hips. Now I used to love the Twinkies and the combos filled with cheese. Now I can't enjoy the snacks here, 'cause that skink is always at the vending machine. You ever see a chick devour chocolate donuts and wash it down with the Diet Coke? She'll taste the rainbow when she's sucking down the Skittles, and if I'm lucky, maybe she will choke. Now I used to like the ring dings, and the Pop-Tarts knocked me to my knees. Now I can't enjoy the snacks here, 'cause that skink is always at the vending machine. Yeah, I used to like the cakes, and I used to love all the candy. Now there's nothing left there for me. Bitch ate everything from the vending machine.
Extreme Disorder. Weekday afternoon starting at 3. Only on X1075.